guys. So today in math, or this week in math, we'll be multiplying mixed numbers by a mixed number. So for the Khan Academy video, they show you how to multiply two mixed numbers by turning them into improper fractions and following the same multiplication rules that we've been following for multiplying fractions. But when you get to the Moby Max assignment, it's actually going to have three fractions. All right, so I'm going to show you how to multiply mixed numbers when you have three factors there. So the same rule applies. All right, so you need to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 3 over 2 or 3 halves is already improper, so we can leave that alone. So we need to turn 1 and 2/3 into an improper fraction, and 2 and 5/5 into 2 and 2/5 into an improper fraction. So let's go ahead and follow that pattern that Khan Academy showed you earlier. So whenever you need to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, you are going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. You will then take that product and add it to the numerator. So let me show you. So if we're going to turn 1 and 2/3 into an improper fraction, that would be 3 times 1. That will give us 3. 3 plus 2 will be 5. So 5 will become our numerator, but 3 will stay our denominator. Let's do that same thing for 2 and 2/5. So 5 times 2 gives us 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. So then that will be 12 over 5. And we can keep 3 over 2. All right? So now we have all of our improper fractions. I mean, we definitely could multiply 5 times 12 times 3 and, get a product and then multiply 3 times 5 times 2. That will definitely give us the answer, but we would have to do some big simplifying there. So let's try to find some numbers that we can possibly simplify these fractions down before we even have to go that route. So let's look at the first two. All right, so we have 3. 3 can go into 12. So 3 can go into 3 one time. 3 can go into 12 how many times? I believe it's 4, right? So now, let's go ahead and try this. Now we have 5 and 5. 5 can go into each other, right? So 5 goes into itself one time. 5 goes into itself one time. So now we have 1, 4, and 3, which we can probably multiply in our head. And then we have 1, 1, and 2. So let's go ahead and multiply that. So we have 1 times 4, that gives us 4. 4 times 3 gives us 12. Right? So now let's go ahead and multiply the denominators now. 1 times 1 will give us 1, right? 1 times 2 will give us 2. So now we have 12 halves. That's still improper, but you can turn that into a mixed number. We always getting the answer. 2 can go into 12 how many times? 6. So that means that 1 and 2/3 times 2 and 2/5 times 3 halves equals